In this video, I will show you how to log in to Netlify using GitHub. First of all, you need a web browser. Open your browser and search for Netlify. Then open the first link, which is netlify.com. As the website loads, you will see the main homepage of Netlify, which provides tools for hosting and deploying websites. Now move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen, where you will see the Sign Up option, and click on it. When you click on Sign Up, a new page will open, where Netlify asks how you want to create your account. Since we want to connect Netlify with GitHub, we will select the Sign Up with GitHub option. This allows you to directly connect your GitHub repositories with Netlify, which makes deployment easier and faster. Now you will see a form where Netlify asks for some basic information. Start by entering your first name and last name. Take a moment here to show the typing clearly on the screen, so viewers can easily follow along. Next, you will see a question asking how you plan to use Netlify. For most learners and beginners, selecting personal is fine, but if you are working in a company or team environment, you can choose according to your requirement. After that, Netlify will ask what kind of product you build. Here, you can select something like a web app or website, depending on your project type. Then you will be asked to describe your role, where you can choose developer, student, or any option that matches your work. Next, you need to enter the name of your team or project. This can be anything related to your application or brand name. Once you finish filling out all the information, click on Continue to deploy. Now you will reach the deployment setup screen, where Netlify shows different platform options, such as GitHub, GitLab, and others. Since we are working with GitHub, click on the GitHub option. At this moment, you can slightly pause and explain to viewers that if they do not already have a GitHub account, they must create one first, because Netlify connects directly with GitHub repositories to fetch project files. If they already have a GitHub account, Netlify will redirect them to GitHub for identity verification and authorization. After authorization, Netlify will ask permission to access your repositories. Here you may see options like installing Netlify on your personal account or selecting specific repositories. You can choose all repositories for easier access or select specific ones based on your preference. After selecting the desired option, click Install. Now Netlify will redirect you back to the deployment screen, where you will see the message, "Let's deploy your project." Here select Website as the project type. You will then see your team name and deployment details appearing on the screen. Now click on Deploy Website to Netlify. At this stage, Netlify starts building and deploying your project. You can show the progress screen here and explain that the process may take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on project size and internet speed. Once the deployment process is complete, Netlify will display a success message and provide a live project link. This means your website is now successfully hosted online. You can also show viewers the project overview section, where they can manage project settings, configuration, and future deployments. This is a simple and beginner-friendly method to deploy a project from GitHub to Netlify, and it helps automate the deployment process whenever you update your repository. Before we finish, let me quickly mention one important thing. There are some methods to do this without using a VPN, and I showed one earlier. But those methods can sometimes be unreliable, slow, or may stop working depending on your location or network restrictions. A much easier and safer option is using a trusted VPN like NordVPN. It helps you access services smoothly, keeps your connection secure, and protects your privacy while working online. You just need to download NordVPN, sign in, choose a server, and connect, and you are ready to go. It is also completely risk-free, because NordVPN offers a money-back guarantee. You can check the NordVPN link in the description.